Horizon Goodwill Industries is a nonprofit organization located in Hagerstown, Maryland, which is known for its intake of donations that are processed for sale in stores. Horizon Goodwill's mission is to assist people with disabilities to relieve the employment barriers they face. Horizon Goodwill is divided into two locations, the corporate headquarters and downtown. The downtown location is where less experienced workers are trained to work at the faster-paced headquarters location, where the processing of donation occurs. Our group was tasked with the tagging gun project, which is located at the headquarters. Clothing items are hung on clothing racks and tagged before they are sent to stores. There are approximately 105 clothing items per rack, and the required rate of tagging is one clothing item for every 8.6 seconds. The problem is that only a few employees, including Mrs. Zelmer, are able to complete the task at the required rate. We wanted to address two specific problem areas with the tagging gun project. First, the sharp needle of the gun increases the chance of injury because there lacks a barrier between the fingers and the needle. Second, we wanted to address the issue of distributing tags. It was hard for the employees to separate tags in a single hand, and the paper tags were often scattered all over the floor. This is our client, Carl. Carl's disabilities cause mild tremors in his hands, which can make simple tasks very difficult. The current method of dispensing tags is separating them with a single hand. We asked Carl to separate 10 paper tags. However, he had trouble separating the paper, constantly putting down more than one at a time. He also mentioned that this task was particularly difficult. This method lacks both the accuracy and efficiency in people with limited fine motor skills that are needed for the required work at the headquarters. Our new attachment device is connected directly to the tagging gun by a binder clip and rails. There is a plastic holder sleeve where the paper tag is placed before it is punctured. The holder is then slid all the way back to puncture the tag, followed by the hem of the clothing item. Then, holding back the plastic, the trigger is pulled. The holder is then slid forward and the tag comes out of the holder, leaving the tag attached to the clothing. Our device addresses safety issues concerning the sharpness of the gun's needle. The plastic holder creates a barrier between the fingers and decreases the chance of injury. The second component of our device is a paper tag dispenser that rolls out one piece of paper at a time, making it very simple to pick up and to place into the gun's holder. This eliminates the mess that used to accumulate on the ground of the original method and also increases the efficiency of separating the tags. To test for the efficiency of the new device, we asked Carl to separate 10 paper tags and record the amount of time it took for him to separate with just one hand, and then compare it to the time it took for him to use the device. Carl once struggled to place 10 separated paper tags with the use of just one hand. He got very frustrated quickly and tried to rush through the task, leaving more than a single tag at a time. However, with the new device, he was able to retrieve a single tag at a time with a greater efficiency and accuracy. It also boosted his overall confidence in his own abilities to complete the job.
Well, probably the new way. Yes, it's kind of hard at first. You guys show me how to do it.
So with more modifications and more practice, do you think you can get good at this job?
Yes.
When asked to perform the old method, Carl was very easily frustrated in his inability to accurately complete the task. However, when presented with the new method, his mood changed instantly. He became very concentrated in completing the task and was very excited when he was able to do it successfully. Our device had an overwhelmingly positive impact on Carl's mood, and he even continued to use the device after we finished collecting the data. Bernard, one of the supervisors, mentioned that he was very happy about the success of our device on increasing the efficiency as well as increasing Carl's self-confidence to complete the task. Our device can be used to train employees such as Carl to be able to work at the headquarters. In the future, we would like to modify our devices to be able to work in conjunction with each other to further increase the efficiency of the task.